In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. Whether you're looking to keep things private for personal reasons or you simply want to browse and interact with content anonymously, creating an Instagram account discreetly can be a helpful solution. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your privacy is maximized. First, to get started, you'll want to make sure you're logged out of any existing Instagram accounts on your device. This ensures a clean slate as we go through the steps. Head to the Instagram app or website and click on Sign Up. Now, instead of using your real email address or phone number, it's a good idea to set up a new email account specifically for this purpose. There are various free email providers available that you can use. Create an email with a non-identifiable name and make sure your password is secure. Once you have your new email set up, return to the Instagram sign-up page and input this newly created email address. For the name field, think about something that isn't easily linked back to you, perhaps a creative pseudonym. Likewise, your username is key. It doesn't necessarily need to reflect anything about your real identity. Choose something unique yet memorable. Next, as you create your password, ensure it's strong by including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will add an additional layer of security to your newly created account. Now, Instagram will ask you to add your phone number. Here's where you can add an extra step to maintain anonymity. You can either use a second phone number if you have one, or utilize an online service that provides temporary phone numbers for verification purposes. This way, your personal number won't be linked to the account. As you fill out the rest of the details, you'll come across options to connect to Facebook and sync contacts. Be sure to skip these options altogether. Syncing could inadvertently notify people you might know about your new account. With the fundamentals of your account set up, next consider who you follow and what content you engage with. Avoid following people you know personally if you want to maintain complete anonymity. This helps in minimizing any cross-linking of contacts or visible associations. To further ensure privacy, navigate to your account settings and set your profile to private. This way, only approved followers can see your posts and stories. Additionally, turn off activity status so no one can see when you're online. By following these steps, you will have successfully created a discreet Instagram account. Remember to regularly review your privacy settings to maintain confidentiality as Instagram updates its features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information useful in maintaining your online privacy.